Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate Saily eSIM on iPhone quickly and easily. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Cellular. It's right under Bluetooth. Next, scroll again and select Add eSIM. You'll see two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. If your carrier give you a QR code, choose use QR code and scan it using your iPhone's camera. If you don't have a QR code, tap enter details manually and type in your SMDP Plus address, activation code, and confirmation code if provided by your carrier. Once everything's entered, tap Next in the top right corner and follow the on-screen prompts to finish activation. And that's it. Your Saily eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.